Hey guys, it's Tim over at Carlos USA. Today we're working on a 2024 Corvette Stingray. We're doing a full body PPF work on it. Check us out. What's the process for prepping a car and getting a full PPF like this one here?
If there's anything that we need to notice, we'll flag it, like touch-ups. And after we decontaminate all the painted surfaces, clean all the edges, clean up all the wheel wells, make sure there's no dirt, there's no grime from the tires, we'll go ahead and bring it over here and dry it off. Start checking for other issues that might arise. If it needs a light polishing, we'll go ahead and polish the areas. Mostly kind of go over it with a quick hyper polish. After that's all said and done, we'll wash it again, make sure there's no contamination from the compounds, cut out all the custom patterns. Once we're all de-weeded the patterns, we'll go ahead and go over it with what we call is basically a detox. It's like an alcohol degreaser mix that we'll go ahead and wipe down all the edges again, just to ensure that there's no dirt in the film, there's no debris when we put the film on. It's going to tack onto all the painted surfaces. Excuse me.
We'll be back, gentlemen.
Go over and use our slip solution. Spray down the panel, like let's say that we do it in the bumper. We're going to spray the bumper down, ensuring that we get all the edges so that all the debris, the loose debris comes out. Squeegee that out. And we'll go ahead and apply the slip solution again. Take the piece off and lay it on. Then we'll go ahead and spray it again on the outside to give it a little bit of lubricity. We'll go ahead and start squeegeeing in all the moisture that's underneath. Sometimes we'll use a little bit of distill just to ensure that that area is going to hold. And other than that, once we all squeegee everything out, we'll grab a towel again, wipe down the panel such as the bumper, make sure that there's no debris, there's no hair, and the water pockets are at a minimum.
Awesome. Sounds like quite a process. Now, on a car like this, what's the most intricate or hardest part about laying film on this car?
I would have to say it'd be the front and the rear bumper. Other than that, everything else is pretty standard. We've done so many of these that it's like second nature to us.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, guys. Check it out. And we're done. All right, Adrian, explain what we did to the car after we got all the PPF on it.
So after we did all the PPF, we trimmed everything up to give it a custom look. Anytime that we do a custom look on a vehicle, we trim and tuck as the best of our ability. No two cars are going to be exactly the same. And when we're all said and done, this customer got a ceramic coating, but we did a little bit extra for him. We actually upgraded him to a graphene coating. So it's going to give him 10 years plus of protection. Not only is it going to prolong the life of the PPF as well, but it's going to make it so much easier to maintain, and it's going to just really bring out that shine.
Awesome. Thanks, Adrian, for letting me film this. And if you guys want to see any more, subscribe to us at Carlos USA. And thanks to Detail Maniac for letting me film here. See you guys later.